Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a better rocket ship. Not a lot of people do it this way, and the last part of it is actually pretty satisfying. And let's get into the video. So first you're going to take all big triangles, and put them together to make a big 3D triangle. And then you're going to take a square piece, and then you're going to set the first piece that you make right on top of it, and then you're just going to put it right on one of your sides. Wait, no. And then you're just going to put all of some triangles on the sides, and then you're just going to do one triangle and two triangles on all of the ones. This one. And then you're going to do it on these sides of it. And then this is the satisfying part. You're going to lift your triangle up, your big 3D triangle, and then you're done. Thank you for watching, and make sure to make this after if you have magnet blocks. And please like and subscribe on your video. And comment down below what's your favorite part about building this rocket ship. Bye!